What's up, ladies? It's LatoriasTatted, and let's get into this watercolor dye method. Now, I use 3 different colors. I use Wella in Azul, Ion in Sky Blue, and Kiss in Cobalt Blue. I use the whole tube of the Wella first. And I used half of the tube of the Sky Blue because you're going to need it later for those spots that don't get fully dyed. I used the Kiss. I used half of that, and I added it gradually throughout the dyeing process. Mix all 3 colors together in the boiling water and watch what happens. Now, this wig is one from my own personal line, Black Magic Hair Collection. It's available for purchase. If you would like to order one, please place the order with me. I tested the color strength and it came out to about where I wanted it to be. I just started dipping the hair to see how the color would do, and I just fully saturated the whole thing up all in the water. Now, you want to make sure you check the wig throughout for any spots that are not fully dyed. This is why I saved that dye in the beginning, so that I can go ahead and add it gradually as I'm dyeing the hair, so that I can get every strand fully covered throughout the entire wig. Now you want to clean your client's forehead off with 91% alcohol or astringent, and get them ready for the wig install. Boho, I love it. I'm never switching up. This is my favorite lace glue ever. I used it on myself, and ever since then, I'm not switching up. Now you want to use 3 to 4 layers. I use 3 layers on her for a secure hold. Once it gets clear, add your 2nd layer. Once it gets clear again, add your 3rd layer. Position the wig on your client's head before cutting any lace off. Make sure that it's lined up in the hairline where you would like it to be, and lightly press the wig onto the glue. Do not push it, mash it, mush it. Just lightly place it onto the glue and continue cutting your lace from the lace frontal. Once you're done cutting the lace off of the wig, go ahead and take a rat tail comb or an edge brush and lightly place the lace into the rest of the glue and secure it down. You can see I like to place my lace down in sections. You gotta work quickly so the glue doesn't dry up on you, but trust me, this is not going to dry up on you. It's going to take a second for that lace to melt down and dry up on you. So take your time with this process. You want your lace frontal to be flawless and realistic looking, not just thrown together. Plucking is beneficial for a more realistic hairline. If you do not pluck your lace, it will look wiggy. It will look fake. It will not lay like you want, and you definitely won't have the baby hair effect that you would try to achieve if you don't pluck your hairline. You want to match the hairline up to your clients as best as possible to make the lace look natural as possible as you can. Most wigs have baby hair already, but I like to customize the baby hair and cut it the way that I like, that I see fit to my client's head. So cut your lace accordingly, or your baby hairs accordingly, sorry, to where they're long enough for you. I don't like long baby hairs, that's just ugly. I go short by the inch. Now I use Alpha G foam to melt my laces down and form my baby hairs. This is the best foam to use, I swear to God. Learned this from Erica J. Shout out to her. Once you get done laying down your baby hair, go ahead and wrap it down with a wrap strip or a head wrap, whatever you prefer, and melt it down with the blow dryer. Thanks for watching, ladies. I really appreciate all the love and support y'all have shown me over the years. I will continue to make great videos. I will continue to do great hair. And I hope that all of you ladies enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and add me on my Facebook, Instagram, and other social medias.